camera ready. Got a little baby snook to Lauren as she's driving. Flinging a little John. Gotta do it for morning. Gonna catch some fish, Lauren? Look at Lauren already drinking a beer. What is it, 8 o'clock? Look at that. First of many. It looks like a big trout. That's a big trout, Lauren. Look at the size of that trout. Oh, move. Next time, get the net. Wow. That's what we're here for. 18-inch trout. That's another good one. Some big trout out here. Looks like every trout's a keeper, too. Wow. That's another fat one. Wow, that's easy. I hooked the trout the second it hit the water. That's a little trout. That's not a keeper. A lot of trout out there. You go. That's a big fat trout. So we don't fall off, I should get the net. There you go. Bring him in. There you go. That's a nice keeper trout, Lauren. Look at that. That's a nice trout. He ate it slower than those little ones. That's going to be right at borderline. It's going to be like 14 and a half. This is a tank trout, Lauren. Get the net. It's a monster. It is dead weight. It's big.
Under the head, right?
Yeah, under the whole fish. That's a huge trout. Get him, Lauren. Under. Oh my God, that's huge. Holy shit.
Look at that.
Holy shit. And you wanted to move? Oh my God.
Finally.
That's one of the biggest trout I've ever seen in my entire life.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a monster. And you took the hook out of him too. Wow. That's a 23-inch trout. Oh my God, fish. You thought we were hooked. You crazy. I'm like, mine's in the boat.
What do I have?
Looks like a little grouper.
That's so funny.
You got a grouper. Oh, that's a big sea bass. A big fat sea bass.
That's so funny.
That's a big sea bass.
I thought we were hooked lines.
Oh, I think it's a big rock ball. I might have hooked a grouper. I threw a shrimp over that, and whatever it is, it's fighting good. I think I got a little grouper. There's not be a catfish. It's not a catfish. I think it's a huge trout. Oh, it is a grouper. So that is a rock pile. Look at that. That's how you find new rock piles out here. It's a nice grouper. Pretty cool. He looks big up here, but he would look like this big down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice rock ledge. Look for sheep's head. That's a pretty fish. Oh, is that pole going? That's got a fish. Reel it in, Lauren. Tighten the drag. Turn it right a little bit. Check out. Oh, we got two nice fish back to back, drifting over this little rock pile. Oh, he got a big fish. He might got a big shark, or a little shark. Never want slack in the line. What the hell you got running like that? Look at a big ass sea turtle. See it? Alright, slow it down. I think I got a huge mackerel. Big mackerel. Alright. I'm surprised it hasn't broke your line yet. They're fast.
Get it.
They're fast. God damn, they're crazy.
Got him?
Nope. Fuck. I just ripped the line out of my hand. Oh, it's snagged. Got him. It's not even a big one, he just snagged in the side, so he fought better.
What fell?
Hey, luckily his teeth didn't hit that line. But this is what broke all my lines earlier. Nice size one. This is what you make fish dip with.
Oh.
Got a keeper. About time I caught a trout. Had to come into the shallows. I hope it's a keeper. That's a keeper. Heck yeah. Hit the wall. It's a big trout too. Holy crap. Good job. Bring him in. Bring him in. Put him in the net. There you go. Keeper trout, Lauren. Good job.